Alright. Alright. These guys, they're very friendly. Hi puppies. Hello. They love humans, as you can see. Especially this guy right here, he loves me. We're besties. We go way back. Is that right? Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. Such a sweetheart. And then this guy, who is this? Oh, this little girl. We're besties too. We're all besties. Right. See, they really like climbing on you. They love doing cute little puppy things. Making puppy noises. Licking you. Wagging their little tails. They love playing. Chin scratches. Biting on your fingers. Oh, their teeth are coming in too. So now it starts to hurt when they bite on your fingers. So excited for that. Then you can just tackle them. And then they go, wow. They love this, right? They love the belly rubs. Yes. Yes. Yep, that's the puppies. You see, they love playing with each other. That one's trying to tear off the other one's arm. This one's biting my finger. They are so friendly. Love playing. Yes, he's so cute. Even holding him upside down, he goes for a lick because that's how much he loves us. This is the mega puppy because he's like 10 times the size of all the other puppies and eats everyone else's food. So he's the mega puppy. This one right here, little blue. It's the blue collar. We talked about him before. He was licking me. Oh, they're all coming for me. Oh yes, they all love climbing on me. You can see. This little girl, she's the pink one. Oh, ooh, she don't want to get picked up. No. She's cranky right now, so I'll set her down. Maybe she needs some sleep or something. This one's biting this one's ear off. They play with each other. Very puppy stuff. This little guy, he's going to get wedged up here against the little fence. There's two in the pool over there sleeping still. Oh wait, they're waking up. Alright, the one is biting the other one, trying to wake them up because they want to play. This one's got my little arm right here. Yes, you got me. Oh yes. Their toys are in the dryer, so they are very, very not... They're unable to bite stuff. Got this ball. I don't think that they really play with the ball yet. He would rather bite my clothes, right? Is that what you would rather do? Rather than bite the ball? Bite the ball? Too big. He says, but your sleeve is right there and it's so good. It's so good. Thank you, puppy. Hi, who are you? This is green. Or yellow, I can't tell. Adorable, looks just like a German Shepherd. This one's on his back. Oh, that's green, so this one's yellow. Again, white, that's the super puppy. Purple and blue are over here. Which one are you? Which one are you? I can't tell you guys apart. No, I think you're smaller, so you gotta be the purple girl. And you're bigger, so you're blue. Are you pink? I really can't. No, that's blue. Who are you then? You're purple. Yes. So I can tell you guys apart. Yes, this is the puppies. This is what they do. They follow you around everywhere. If I get up, move over here, they will follow. Here they come. Sometimes they like to not pee on the puppy pads, so you gotta clean it up. But they're very good at peeing on the puppy pads. Bees. They dance. You can make them dance. They climb on your back. They tap you. This one's tapping me. Who are you? Hey. She wants me to sit down. The puppy's in the pool sleeping. These guys, they'll look at you. They follow you. As you can see. That's what he does. He just looks. Just looks for you. They play with each other. And they sleep. That's about all. Play. And sleep. And eat and pee. That's their life. Scratch them right. Oh, I got the little leg going. Climb over walls. All the way just to run over and go to sleep.